This is a tutorial on how to make this easel card, okay? And you can use any circles or round dies. And this one, you just fold it like this, put in an envelope and send it. See? This is a beautiful design by Nicole Silhouette, okay? And I'm going to put the link in the description box. And this is how it looks, okay, right here. And this one comes with the die, and I'm going to show you, this is a set of dies, and it comes 4 different sizes, and I use the 4 of them, okay? As you can see right here, see, there are 4 different sizes that I use, and it comes with this one, so you can make the tag, okay? And it says handcrafted with care, okay? So this is the background, and this one goes on top, so you can have this effect. And I put foam tape, okay, so this one can stop the card and can be an easel card, okay, standing like this. So now I'm going to show you the materials. For this kind of card, I use 1 piece of chipboard, and you have to cover both sides, okay? I already covered this side, and now I'm going to cover this side, and I use white, okay, for the base. So I'm going to glue this one right here, and you have to make 2 of these, okay? I prepared already this one, okay, the other 3 colors that I cut and I already glue, so I can make this one faster. And I did the same thing, okay? I use this glue stick to just glue this one together, and this is ready for the base, right? I already have the card that is going to be right here on top, and I made the same thing, okay? I put a base and then I glue already this one. And because this one is a circle, we are going to just count the loops right here, and we need to get 6, okay? For mine, we need to get 6, but if you want, you can get 5, okay? And then when you are there, you're going to fold this one to the top, okay? And if it's a circle, you just measure about 3/4 of an inch, okay? You are done, okay, with this one. You're going to crease very well, and you are going to put this one, okay? Can you see? Okay, this is the back, and now we are going to fold this one to this side, and use any grid, okay, right here, and align this line, okay, align right there, okay? And now you are going to fold this one until the line, okay? So we do this, and can you see I'm aligning, okay? So right here I'm going to have the same dimension, okay? So you are going to fold like this. Can you see? Up to the line only, okay? And it's going to look like this. Now that we have this part done, okay, we are going to glue this one right here, okay? Now that you have this one done, okay, we are going to glue this part right here. Only this part right here, we are going to glue on that very top, okay? And now we are going to add glue right here. So I just make sure this one goes straight right here to the center, and I'm going to align. And once you're done gluing, okay, this part, this one is ready to stand, see? And it's holding the card right here, and it's attached to this base, okay? Make sure you put enough glue to hold all the card, okay, right here, and let it dry. So you just need to put something to stop the card and make the easel card. So for that, I already made this one right here. I attached the tag and I put foam tape, okay, as you can see right here. And I'm going to attach this one where I think it should be, okay, the way that you want, okay, to display your card. You cannot do way too much, right? So I had to be like about here. And I'm going to, okay, put it straight right there. And I think there is going to be okay. So I press, and this is my stop, okay, for my card. Now I'm going to just glue some decoration, and I already made another flower. Here is the ribbon, and I cut some leaves in white, so I'm going to put those leaves. And these are from Diamond Press dies, okay. All these leaves are from Diamond Press, and this is from Surprise Creation. The easel card is done. Can you see? It's very beautiful and elegant. And you can write your message right here, okay? Or can you see this one flips like this, or you can write it up here, okay? Or just right here, your signature or something. So it's very nice to have one of these cards, right? I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.